So further to the problem, the battery's now installed into the driver, and we would expect to see the thing running, but nothing. There's a button here on the front that tells you the condition of the battery, I believe, and when you press that, LEDs are supposed to light up, I'm guessing, and nothing happening, all indicating that this particular battery is dead flat. I'll just quickly change the other battery, which has also been on this charger more than 12 hours, and nothing. Same with the charge indicator, I'm guessing it's called, which is not described in the operation instructions that I can find, but common sense will tell me that that is supposed to tell me if the battery is charged or not. Again, all this tells me is that the battery charger, at least the battery charger, hasn't been working, and all the batteries are not taking any charge. So there's something wrong with that. So problem real simple, we can't charge the batteries up. Okay. So this is how the package arrived, more or less. And you can see there's two puncture marks there where the actual charger cable had poked through. So there's the battery charger. There's the actual tool itself. Instruction booklet. And two batteries. Note that the package came without the Australian adapter, which I was able to source one locally, an inbound travel adapter, which looks like this and plugs into that like that. We then plug it into the wall, switch it on, and according to the instructions, charger into power source, green light on, red light off. Then what we do is we plug one of the batteries into the power source, into the charger cable, and whilst charging, the green light should go off and a red light should come on, which is not doing. By the way, after charging, once the battery is 100% full, it should be green light on, red light off, which would indicate that the batteries are fully charged. So I'll just get a multimeter, just press off. So we're checking now the battery that's been on charge or is indicating being charged with a multimeter on the 20 volt scale, and it's reading 0.43 volts, which is dead flat. I'll just quickly check the other one. Just checking the other one. That is with the battery charger plugged in, the multimeter on the 20 volt scale, and the battery charger indicating green, and the multimeter reads 0.19 volts. Again, the multimeter is on the 20 volt scale. Plugging into any one of the batteries, the indicator light should now change from green on, red off, to green off, red on, and in this instance it's not doing that. I'll just plug in the other battery, and same thing, green light stays on, red is off, whereas green should be off and red should be on, indicating that the thing is being charged. Having said that, the table says after charging, the batteries are fully charged 100%, the green light should be on, the red light should be off. Okay. Output of this particular charger is supposed to be 21 volt and or 1 amp DC. Again, all this tells me is that the battery charger, at least the battery charger, hasn't been working, and or the batteries are not taking any charge. So there's something wrong with that. So problem real simple, we can't charge the batteries up.